Hello everyone, I am Kumareshan from V.S.B Engineering College IT department. Today I am going to discuss about the computer networks with basics. Introduction to computer network. We are all know about network. Network means connecting together. It may be a people or devices or else something more. It may be a connecting. In terms of the computer means computer networks. Computer networks are the essential for communication, information sharing, and resource access in our digital world. This the same scenario will occur in the human network or else a devices network. For communication exchange purpose, the connected device enabling the data exchange and collaboration across the vast distances. It may be a long distance or vast distance mean we are with a connection. We made a communication with effectively. So now we are going to discuss about the topology concept in the computer networks. Topology means we have three types. First one is bus topology, star topology, ring topology. Now we are going to bus topology. Bus topology is comparatively a simple topology other than two, where all devices are in a single cable. It is a inexpensive to implement but can suffer from a performance issues. The sentence says it's a very simple topology, but it may be a simple cost. It affects is little bit less than comparatively two topologies. Then we are moving to star topology. It's a method of or a combination of star. It's look like a star having a central topology, central hub we having. So in central hub, two or many other devices are connected. The central hub connects all the devices. This topology is reliable and offer easy troubleshooting, but it requires a central hub. The third one, ring topology. The name means ring and it's a circle. Devices are connected in a circle pattern. Data travels in a one direction. It is also known as a unidirectional, ensuring the high speed of the network to avoid the network failure for the communication purpose. Here the protocol. Next we are moving to discuss about the network protocols. Now we are going to discuss about four types of protocol. First one TCP/IP, second one HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. Third one FTP, file transfer protocol. Fourth one SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. First we are using the TCP/IP means a general basic suite of a protocol using in the computer networks. It used to access the internet across the world or access the communication in the internet. It defines how data is packaged or addressed and transmitted. Next, we are going to discuss about HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's mainly used in websites or web browsers or web pages. The foundation of web communication, enabling the transfer of web pages, images and other web resources. Mainly we already know that, or we are frequently using a web browsers or web pages. Anonymously we are looking here only the HTTP, it's displayed, which is used the same protocol for the web pages or web browsers. Next one, FTP, file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol used to share the files within the network. A protocol designed for the transferring file between the computers. It commonly used for uploading and downloading files within the network. It kind of a integrated network or local network. SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP means used to send the mail. SMTP abbreviates simple mail transferring protocol. It used for sending emails. It defines the format for email messages, how they are transmitted from sender to receiver. Next we are going to see about the IP, Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol means how the protocol works in the internet or networking. First thing is addressing. Each device on a network has a unique IP address similar to a postal address. It enables device communicate with each other. It is known as addressing. It's communicate from one device to another device. Routing, next one, routing. Routing means the internet protocol packets travel through the router with the direction of packet from source to destination. How it will be transferred, this kind of information or definition called the routing. Next, the IP version 4, in the internet protocol upgrading to IP4, the older version of IP with 32-bit address space, running out of available addresses. The next to IPv4, IP version 6, a new update with the 128-bit address space. It comparatively larger than the IP version 4 to communicate with the devices, interconnected devices. The next one, we are going to see about the network layers. Network layers mean have 7 layers for intercommunication. First thing, physical layer. Second one, data link layer. Third one, transport layer. Third one, network layer. Fourth one, transport layer. Fifth one, session layer. Sixth one, presentation layer. Seventh one, application layer. So TCP, how TCP work means, we are going to discuss about the 4 methods. First thing, connection establishment. How we are going to connect the TCP for better communication means, TCP enables the connection between 2 devices before the transmission, ensuring reliable communication. Then second one, data segmentation. TCP breaks data into a smaller packets, ensuring efficient transmission and reassembly at the destination. It defines, or it means the TCP breaks the huge volume of data to smaller packets to easy and reliable communication purpose. Error control means TCP provides mechanism to detect and correct the errors during the transmission time and ensuring the data integrity. Flow control, TCP regulates the data travel flow and it avoids the overwhelming the receiver. It ensures the smooth and efficient communication. The flow control process is ensuring the efficient communication. The network devices, first one is router, second modem, switches, hubs. So these things are providing a network to one device to another device which is connected in the routers or modem, switches or hubs. Router means router connect the different network with the directing of IP addressing. Next to the router, modem have a digital signal computer which are into the analog signal computer to transmit the data in telephone lines, enabling internet access. Third one is switches. Switches connect the devices of a local network learning a MAC address with a address of MAC address which differs from the IP address. Hub is a simple device is connected to the n number of devices from one device to many devices. Now we are discussing about the wired network. Now we are moving to discuss about the wireless network. Wireless network have 3 types. First one, Wi-Fi, that is wireless phenomenon. Second one Bluetooth. Third one cellular network. Wi-Fi means we all are know about the Wi-Fi. We all are know about the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means network providing from one device or one hub to many devices to access the internet, which means the wireless communication. Bluetooth is used for the file sharing with one devices to many devices with the technology of short distance only sharing the data in Bluetooth manner. Cellular network means cellular network work with the radio waves and connect device the wide area network comparatively the Bluetooth. This is known as the cellular network. The network security. We are discussing about the network means we must have a network security. So network security, what are all having the characteristics means firewall, antivirus software, encryption, strong password. So these kind of things having means that is a secure network. Firewall means to act a barrier between the this is a barrier to access the unauthorized person and the malicious traffic. The next one, antivirus software. Antivirus software is help to reduce the or removing the data loss or malware attack. Encryption means encryption is a kind of process. It's used to deliver the information from one encryption means encrypting the data from one value to another value for the security purpose. Strong password means we are using any kind of software for securing our data in the network world, but we are using the strong password means we are easily or highly protect for our data with the means of strong password with having the alphanumeric and character values. Now we are moving to how to troubleshoot the network. We are using now here we are discuss about the 4 techniques about the network troubleshooting. First one, ping. It is the connectivity between the devices, checking if the data packet reaching the destination from the source. Second one, trace route. It shows the path of the data packet which their destination. IP configuration. It display the IP configuration and IP address and subnet mask value to the user. It holds the IP value and IP address numbers in the system. Net start main. It shows the network connection, helping and identify any unusual connection or process to consume the network resources. In future trending in computer networks, network will move to the 5G or edge computing or Internet of Things for the upcoming days or in future for the better performance of wireless communication with wired communication, wireless communication or wired communication with the safe and security, enabling the security with possibilities of applications for efficient users usage.